We'll try to formulate this problem today. Okay. So in order to define a problem, we use 5 to 6 parameters. So we specify the states in that problem, then initial state, then set of actions, then transition model, then next one is goal test, and last one is path cost. Okay, so we'll try to define this 6 components for this problem. Okay, so before that we'll discuss what is the problem. So here we have a river, and on the left bank of this river we have 3 missionaries and 3 cannibals. I am representing missionaries by circles and cannibals by cross. Okay, and they have one boat. This boat can carry at max 2 people. Okay, so and the ultimate aim is that they should cross the river and we'll have boat on this side. Okay, so this is my start state. Okay, start state or initial state, and this is my goal state. Okay, so 2 things are done. Initial state is over and goal test is over. Okay, so goal test will check whether the current state is matching with this goal state or not. Okay, now how to represent state? Okay, so for that, okay, we have to make one notation. Okay, so we'll represent the state of our problem with this tuple, where I will mention the number of missionaries, number of cannibals, and the status of the boat, whether the boat is on the left bank or the right bank. Okay, so I will be using this notation, this tuple, to represent the state of the problem. Okay, so my initial state would be 3 and boat is on the left side of the bank. Okay, so this is my initial state. Okay, so now at this moment, if you consider the start state, so the state of my left bank is 3 number of missionaries are 3, number of cannibals are 3, and boat is on the left side. At the same time, the state of my right bank would be 0. There are 0 missionaries, 0 cannibals, and boat is on the left side. Okay, so now we will find out how many states are possible now. Okay, so but before that, if you think on this, is it necessary to keep a state of right bank? No, because it can be calculated from this only, right? If you maintain the state of left bank, okay, we can determine the state of right bank from that only, right? So we will not maintain a state of right bank. We are going to maintain a status of only left bank only. Okay, so we will maintain a state of left bank only. So how many states are possible? Okay, so we will find out all the possible combinations. Okay, so we have 3 missionaries, 3 cannibals, and boat is on the left bank. Okay, then so list out all the possible combinations. Okay, then 2 3 L, then 2 2 L, then 2 1 L, then 2 0 L, then 1 3 L, 1 2 L, then 1 1 L, 1 0 L, then 0 3 L, 0 2 L, 0 1 L, 0 0 L. Okay, so there are actually 4 multiplied by 4, okay, multiplied by 2. Okay, this 2 is actually the state of our boat. Okay, so there will be total 32 states. Okay. So now for this state, our board is on the left side, okay, and similarly it can be on the other side, okay. So we will have 33R, 32R, okay. So we are tabulating all the possible combination of this problem. Okay, so if you consider this, okay, so what is the state of my problem at this moment? So I have two missionaries. So this is our river. We have two missionaries and one cannibal, and boat is on the left side. Okay, that means on the right side we will have one missionary and two cannibals. Okay, now, so this is the meaning of this notation. Okay, so now can we have all these 32 states? For our problem, there is one constraint, that the number of cannibals should not outnumber the number of missionaries, right? Otherwise, they will kill the missionaries, right? So we cannot have this state. Okay, so what is happening here? So number of missionaries are 2 and number of cannibals are 3. Okay, so these 3 cannibals can kill these missionaries, right? So this state is not allowed. What about this 2 missionaries and 2 cannibals? Okay, so we have equal number. On the right side it will be 1 1, right? So this is allowed. 2 1. Okay, 2 missionaries and 1 cannibal on the left side. Okay, 2 missionaries and 1 cannibal on left side. So it means that on the right side we will have 1 missionary and 2 cannibals, right? So these 2 cannibals will kill this missionary. Okay, so this is not allowed. Okay, then next one is 2 0. What about this? 2 missionaries and 0 cannibals. That means on the right side 2 missionaries and 0 cannibals. That means here we will have 3 missionaries and 3 cannibals and 1 missionary, right? So this is not allowed. Okay, here also 3 cannibals, 1 missionary, not allowed. 2 cannibals, 1 missionary. Okay, 0. So here 1 and 0. So 1 missionary and 0 cannibals. That means on the right side we will have 2 missionaries and 3 cannibals. Okay, so they can kill. So this is also not allowed. Okay, so we are crossing out the states which are not favorable for our problem. Okay, if 3 missionaries are together, that is fine. Okay, here we have 0 missionaries. That means they are together on the right side, right? Then okay, and what about this? Here also we have to cross this. Okay, and what about this state 33R? Is it possible? 33R. Can we have 33R state? What is the meaning of 33R? R means we have 3 missionaries and 3 cannibals and boat is on the right side. Is it possible? Boat alone cannot cross the river, right? So this state is also not possible. Okay. Next thing, can we have this state 00L? Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can we have 00L state? zero zero means zero number of missionaries, zero number of cannibals. Okay, that means we will have missionaries and cannibal on this side, and L means what? A boat is on left side. Okay, so we cannot have this, right? Ultimately, okay. So in the last ride, boat will be on the right side, right? Okay. Again, this is not possible. Okay. So out of 32, okay, we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Only 18 states are possible. Getting my point? See, I have written this, okay, purposefully because we want to draw a transition model. This is not the state of my right bank. Okay, ये right bank का status नहीं है. Okay, we are maintaining the state of only left bank. Okay, getting my point? So what is the meaning of this state? Tell me. 331R means what? How many missionaries will be on the left bank? I am talking about 31R. How many missionaries will be on left bank?
0.
Array, we are maintaining state of only left bank.
3.
So, yes, so we have 3 missionaries, 1 cannibal, and boat is on the right side. Okay, from this you determine the state of right bank. So we have 0 missionaries and 2 cannibals. So this is the state. Okay. ठीक है. So states are 18, which are indicated here. Okay. So 18 states are possible. States are possible. Initial state would be this one, 33L. That means 3 missionaries and 3 cannibals, and boat is on the left bank. Okay. Now actions. Okay. Now what is happening? So we are carrying a people with the help of boat, right? This boat can carry 2 missionaries. So I am representing action with this couple. So how many missionaries and how many cannibals can travel through the boat? Okay. So at a moment, 2 missionaries can travel, right? So for that I am using this. Okay. Number of missionaries, number of cannibals. Okay. So at a moment, 2 missionaries can travel, 2 cannibals can travel, then 1 missionary, 1 cannibal can travel, then only single cannibal can travel, then only 1 missionary can travel, and that's it, right? So we have total 5 possible actions. Okay, so 5 actions are possible. Now, what is transition model? Okay, so we will draw a transition diagram later on. Okay, we will first talk about goal test. Okay, so goal state is what? We want 0 missionaries, 0 cannibals, and boats should be on right side. Okay, so my goal state would be 00R. So this is our goal. This 00R is our goal, and 33L is our starting point. Path cost. So each movement or action cost 1. Okay, every movement of the boat will cost me 1 unit of work. Okay, so now we will draw a transition diagram. Okay, so now do you know the answer of this puzzle? So how many moves minimum number of moves are required? How many moves are required? Minimum number of moves. Anyone? Okay, take 5 minutes. So okay, consider. So this is a river. So we have 0 0 x x x. Ultimately, we want 0 0 x x x here. Okay, find out the solution and tell me the number of moves required. This is my starting point and this is my end point. Anyone? You have to ensure that cannibals should not outnumber missionaries. Anyone? Okay, focus here. So this is my starting point. So initially, 2 cannibals will go to the other side. Okay, so we will have cannibals here and boat will be here, and here we will have this, right? Then one cannibal should bring the boat back, right? So 2 cannibals will be here, boat will go on this side, and we have one cannibal here. Okay. Then next 2 cannibals will go to that side. Okay, boat will come here, and we will have 3 cannibals here. Now one cannibal will bring the boat back. Okay, so we have 2 cannibals here. Then now 2 missionaries will travel, will go to other side. Okay, now at this moment 1 missionary and 1 cannibal will come back. Okay, and we have here. Then now 2 missionaries will travel. Okay, 2 missionaries will travel. Okay, next one is now this cannibal will bring the boat to the left side. Okay, now 2 cannibals will go to the other side. One cannibal will bring a boat to the left side, and finally 2 cannibals will go to other end. Okay, so how many moves are required? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so 11 is the path cost for the most optimal answer. Did you get the answer? Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Shall I repeat? Okay.
Sir, repeat, sir.
Okay. So I am repeating a solution. This is river. So we have 3 missionaries, 3 cannibals, and boat is on the left side. Okay. Now first 2 cannibals will move. Okay. So we will have this. Okay. Next, 1 cannibal will bring the boat back. Okay. Next, 2 cannibals will go there. Okay. So 1 plus 2, that is 3 here. 1 will bring the boat to the left side. Okay. Now 2 missionaries will travel. Okay. Now 1 missionary and 1 cannibal will move here, because if 2 cannibals move, okay, if 1 cannibal move, then what will happen here? Okay, if 1 cannibal moves, okay, now the number of these cannibals are outnumbering the missionaries, right? So these 2 can kill, right? So that's why 1 missionary and 1 cannibal has to move. Okay, so we'll have this one. Okay, now 2 missionaries will travel now. Okay, so they are more in number. Okay, so they are safe. Now this cannibal will bring the boat to this side. Okay, now 2 will go there, and 1 will bring boat back. Okay, and finally these 2 will travel. Okay, so we have the final state. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, and you can see, okay, both left right left right left right left right. Okay, so this is the solution to this puzzle. Okay, there can be a different solution also. Okay, but the minimum number of moves required is 11. Okay, this is the optimal solution. Now we will draw a transition diagram. Okay, so initially we have this state. Okay, so this is our starting state. Okay, now from here two cannibals are traveling, right? Two cannibals are traveling and boat is on the right side. Okay, so now what is the state here? So here we have state so this is 3 L. Okay, now what is the state here? 3 1 R, right? We are maintaining a state of left bank only, right? 3 missionaries, 1 cannibal and boat is on the right side. Okay, so now 2 cannibals traveled. Okay, and we are indicating action by this tuple, right? So 0 2, 0 missionary travel and 2 cannibals travel, right? So from this state we will move to this state. Okay, now 1 cannibal is bringing the boat back. Okay, so what is my state now? 3 to L, right? 3 to L. So 3 to L. Okay, and what is my action? 0, 1. Okay, 0, 1. 0 missionary and 1 cannibal traveled. Okay, now from 3 0 R, right? 3 missionaries, 0 cannibals and boat is on the right side. Okay, so and what was the movement? 2 cannibals traveled, right? So 30 R, 30 R. From here 30 R, 0 to, right? That is my action. Next, so here boat is on the left side, 3 missionaries and 1 cannibal, 3 1 L. And what was the movement? 1 cannibal traveled, 0 1 L. From here 0 1 L, 1 cannibal traveled. Okay, next here we have 1 1 and boat is on the right side. Okay, these are states of only left bank, right? 1 1 R, 1 1 R, 1 1 R is here. So from here we will go to 1 1 R and the state is 1 1 R and movement was 2 0. 2 missionaries traveled, right? Okay, 2 0 from here, right? Okay, then here we have 2 to L, 2 to L. So 2 to L. So here what was the movement? 1 1, right? Here 1 missionary and 1 cannibal traveled, right? Okay, now from here, okay, so state is here 0 missionaries, 2 cannibals and boat is on the right side, 0 to R, 0 to R. Okay, so here 0 to R, 2 missionaries traveled, 2 0, right? Okay, then next one is here 1 cannibal is traveling. Okay, and the status is 0 3 R, sorry L, 0 3 L, 0 3 L. So here and 1 cannibal traveled, right? Next one, the state is 0 missionaries, 1 cannibal and boat is on the right side. Okay, 0 1 R. So 0 1 R and here 2 cannibals traveled, 0 2. Now the state is 0 2 L. Okay, 0 missionaries, 2 cannibals and left boat is on left side, 0 1. Okay, and finally 2 are moving, so 0 0 R, 0 0 R. This is my transition diagram and transition model. The transition model will be governed by this transition diagram. Okay, did you get this transition diagram? First, what we did, we list out all the possible states, then we ruled out the non-favorable states, right? So first we found out the 32 states, then we cross out the non-favorable states. Okay, so now we have 18 states. Okay, and between that we have drawn this transition diagram. Okay, and we have represented a state by this tuple. Okay, number of missionaries, number of cannibals, and the position of my board, whether it is on the left bank or right bank. Okay, so I have represented the state of left bank only with the help of this tuple, and I am representing action by this tuple, a two element tuple, number of missionaries and number of cannibals. Okay, so when I am saying that 0 2, that means from this state two cannibals are traveling. Okay, so initially the board position was left, it became right. Okay, number of cannibals on the left bank was 2, it became 0. Any doubt? Okay, so this is about 3 missionaries and 3 cannibals problem. So number of states are 18. Then initial state is 03L. Okay, 3 missionaries, 3 cannibals, both on the left side. This is my starting point. Actions are, at a time 2 missionaries can travel or 2 cannibals can travel. 1 missionary, 1 cannibal can travel. Then only 1 cannibal can travel and 1 missionary can travel. Then transition model is governed by this one. For example, we know that transition model is a function, right? So if I say 33L, okay, if on this state, if my movement is, my action is this one, I am getting, okay, so from this state, if I do this action, I will go to this state, okay, 3, 1, R, okay, so this is my transition model, okay, it is a function on state and action, and I will get a new updated state, right? Then goal test is, this is my goal state, and path cost is, the path cost of my optimal solution is 11. Okay, so this is regarding 3 missionaries and 3 cannibals problem. Now we will move to second problem. Again we will revisit 8 queen problem. Okay, so what is the 8 queen puzzle? So here we have our normal chessboard of size 8 by 8, and we want to place 8 queens on this table, on this board, so that no 2 queens attack each other. Okay, so and you know the means moves attack possible to queen. Okay, queen can attack vertically, horizontally, and diagonally, right? Okay, so we want to place that, and we have one solution. We have seen one formulation for this problem. So where we said that, okay, so first parameter that we find out is states. How many states are possible? Second is initial state. Okay, so in initial state we said that no queen is placed. So initially no queen is placed. Okay, board is empty. Then third, in action we said that add 1 queen to any empty space. Okay, yesterday we talked about this, right? So action is what? Add 1 queen to any empty space. Okay, so how many states are possible if you consider this action? So for first queen, I have total 64 place possible, right? So I have, for first queen, I have 64 places. So consider if I place here or I can place here, okay? We have total 64 options. Now after placing this queen, for the second queen, I have 63 places possible, right? If I place it here, okay? Now for the third queen, how many places are possible? For the third queen, how many places are possible? 62. And so on, up to what? $64 for the first queen, 63 for the second queen, 62 for the third queen, so on, up to what number?
1.
1. How many queens we are placing?
57.
57. 57 is correct. We are placing only 8 queens, right? We are placing only 8 queens. Okay, so this you have to continue up to 57 only. 61, 60, 59, 58 and 57. Okay, so these many states are possible, and if you calculate this comes out to be nearly 1.8 into 10 is for 14. The answer to this is 1.8 into 10 is for 14. That many states are possible. So that means your problem is very complex. Okay, so can we reduce this number of states? Okay, so this is our solution number 1. Okay, now can we reduce this number? Yes. Okay, so now I am changing my problem statement. Okay, so here my action was add one queen to any empty space. Now I will modify this action. So in solution 2, my action will be add one queen to any empty space of the leftmost column. Okay, I have changed my action. What I am doing here, add one queen to any empty space of the leftmost column. Okay, so I am going by column now. Okay, so I will place my queen to any space, to any empty space of the leftmost column. So initially my leftmost column is this first column. I can place my queen anywhere. Okay, so I have 8 options possible. Okay, I can place anywhere. Okay, now for the second queen, now the leftmost column will be this one, right? I can place the queen anywhere. So now it will be 8 and 8. Okay, so it would be 8 raised to power 8. Getting my point? Okay, I am going column by column. I am ensuring that, okay, queen cannot be attacked in a column. Okay, that I am ensuring. Okay, so now from this 10.8, 1.8 into 10 to the power 14, I have reduced the number of states to this number. Okay, now third solution. Now I will modify my action. Add one queen to any empty space of the leftmost column and in empty row. Okay, now I have modified my action. So my action is add one queen to any empty space of the leftmost column and in empty row. Okay, so now if I place a queen here, okay, So now I have only 7 options possible for the second queen because this row is not empty, right? So here what will happen? So if I so 8 for the first queen I have 8 options. For the second queen I have 7 options. Okay, so if I place it here, for the third queen I will have lesser options. Okay, so I can place here 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And this number will come out to be, this is nothing but 8 factorial, and this number will come to be 40,320. Okay, which is approximately 4 into 10 raised to power 4, right? 4 zeros. Okay, so from 10 raised to power 14 we managed to bring down the number of states to 10 raised to power 4. Okay, so this is my solution number 3. Okay, so we are making our problem much simpler. Now I will be giving fourth solution now. Okay, so here add queen to leftmost column so that it is unattacked. Okay, now again I have modified my action. Add queen to the leftmost column so that it is unattacked. Okay, so here what was the problem with third solution? I can place queen here also, right? But this is attacking, right? So we are reducing that attacks also. Okay, in the fourth solution. So what will be the number of states possible here? Okay, so we will find out that number. Okay, so for the first queen, okay, we are placing in the leftmost column. So we have 8 places possible. 8 plus. Okay, now if I place a queen here, I cannot place here because it is attacking. I cannot place here. I can place here, right? So I have 6 places plus. If I place my queen here, at how many places I can place? I cannot place here, I cannot place here, I cannot place here, I can place here, and here. So 5 plus. If I place queen here, again diagonal, row and diagonal. So I can place here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So for these 6 places, I have 5 options possible. So 6 times 5 will come. And for the last place, queen, here it can attack row wise and diagonal, and we have 6 places. Okay. In this way you have to proceed. Okay, and that answer will come out to be, I am writing the answer. So this is number of states for the first solution, number of states for the second, third and fourth. For fourth, the number is 2057, and this is coming from, okay, the addition of this will be 30 plus 12, that is 42 plus 40. Okay, for the third queen, we will have this many options. Okay, so this is how you can simplify your problem. Okay, you can simplify the number of states if you redefine your problem. If you add some constraints, okay, your problem can be simplified. Any doubt? So we have seen 4 approaches for this 8-pin puzzle. The first one was the simplest. You can place the queen anywhere, okay, and from that you can determine the number of states possible. Okay, for that problem your search tree will be very complex because 64, right? For at one particular moment you have 64 options, right? So the branching factor will be 64. Okay, later on it will be 63. Okay, so your tree would be very complex. Later on we added one constraint that you go column by column. Then again we added one constraint that you place in the empty row. Okay, and then in fourth we added one more constraint that you have to ensure that the new queen is unattacked. Okay, any doubt? Okay, so from 10 to the power 14 we managed to bring down that number to 10 to the power 3. 2 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, so please mark your attendance. We'll stop here.